Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of English phrasal verbs using look. So in this video we are going to see the phrasal verbs related to the word look, and let's jump into the video. Before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you like the content, and share it with your friends so that they can also use it. Let's start. First one is look after. It means to take care of someone or something. An example would be, she has to look after her pets while her friend is away. Next phrasal verb with look is look up. It is to search for an information, example in some dictionary or online or whatever, anywhere to search an information. So example would be, I will look up the definition of that word. Okay, next one is look forward to. It means to be excited or eager about something that will happen in the future. It is looking forward to. Okay, so example would be, I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Next one is look out. Example of look out would be, look out, there is a car coming. Next one is look into. It is to investigate or examine something. Okay, so example of this phrasal verb would be, the company will look into the issue and will get back to you. Next one is look over. It is to examine or review something quickly. Okay, so example would be, can you look over my report before I submit it? Next one is look down on. Okay, it means to regard someone or something as inferior or unworthy. He tends to look down on people who don't have a college degree. Next one is look up to. It means to admire or respect someone. So example would be, I really look up to my grandfather because of his wisdom. Next phrasal verb is look back. It is to reflect on or think about the past. So example of this look back would be, when I look back at my childhood, I remember all the fun trips we took. The last phrasal verb for the video is look through. It is to examine or search something carefully, often by scanning or flipping through. Example is, she looked through the magazine to find the article she wanted. So these are the verbs, phrasal verbs using the word look. So hope you understood or found some new words from the video. Some words may be already there in your communication, or while communicating you may be using it, but also try to use the other verbs as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.